Hello, everyone. My name is Jennifer Malax. I'm going to talk about my favorite singer, Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey was born March 27, 1869, in Huntington, New York, United States. The nationality, American, profession, singer, songwriter, record producer, and actress. Beginning, Mariah Carey displayed musical talent from a very young age. She began singing in the school choir and composing songs as a teenager. At 18 in 1988, she signed her first record deal, Columbia Records. Thanks to producer Tommy Mottola, who discovered talent after hearing a demo. Her debut song, Vision of Love, 1990, paved the way for their worldwide success, reaching #1 in the Billboard Hot 100 and showcasing her impressive five-octave vocal range. That same year, she released her fifth album, Mariah Carey, which also reached #1 in the United States. Most future songs, I Still Believe, My Hero, My All, We Belong Together, I Can Live, All I Want for Christmas, You. Thank you very much. Any question?
Yes.
Yes.
No, 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 no.